amazing. She loved it. We all loved it.
Yeah, we've got one of the littlest members tonight. She's just a year old, and wow, isn't she so cute? She's up past her bedtime, Mom.
Yeah, just for tonight.
Just for tonight. Tell me about your New Year's resolution. Have you made one yet?
Yeah, I made it. Just, spend more time with the family and try to be on time to places, to parties and stuff. So, be on time is my big one.
That might be mine too. Quietly, what has been your favorite part about tonight?
The music. I love the video on the Georgia Brown. She loved all the lights. She was watching very closely and everything.
Well, we're going to be watching her. She is so cute. Happy New Year to all of you. And Happy New Year to you. I know this is going to be a big year for me and my family. I hope it's a big year for everyone else out there. Back to you, Tom and Gina.
Happy New Year, Kat. We have the 2013 cute meter that girl broke.
Oh, she was so beautiful. Very cute. Well, we're going to go down to Bob's Slowback.